What's up everybody, Tim Vix here and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm here with Siddharth. Hi, say hi Siddharth.
Hi.
So I'm here with Siddhartha and we have come to this place called Vedanthangal Bird Sanctuary. Um, the route to this place is amazing. We actually stopped on the way. As the sun was rising, we stopped on the way to take some good shots. The route to this place is extremely good, and now we have reached this spot, so we'll be exploring this place. Now there are a lot of mangrove trees, I guess, which have some birds nested on them, and also right beside the ticket counter there's a small waiting area where you have pictures of all the birds which you can find inside. They also posted a small poster where they had mentioned the types of snakes that are available inside. You might spot them. So if you keep walking along this path, then you'll ultimately come to this end. There's nothing beyond that. But then this place is really nice. It's a lush forest. It's more like a mangrove forest. It's really beautiful place, very calm, and a wonderful place for those who are into photography. Telephoto lens and this place is a heaven for photographers. There's so many beautiful birds. There's so much action going on here with the birds and all. So it'll be an amazing opportunity for you guys to capture that. In fact, I have taken a couple of good shots which I will be posting right now. So yeah, those were my shots. If you like those kind of pictures, then make sure to follow me on Instagram as well. I post a lot of cool pictures there. Follow me on Instagram at Tim Wicks. This gentleman over here said that there's an owl, and he asked us whether we had spotted that, but we didn't. So he's guiding us now. He's taking us to that place. Okay, if your eyes are really keen, you would have spotted the bird, um, but yeah, trying to get a picture of it. Let's see what we can get. So our morning trip has come to an end, and we have stopped at McDonald's right now. We ordered a couple of burgers and all that for breakfast. Really hungry. So a couple of things that you need to keep in mind is, if you're going to this place, make sure you visit early, because by 8 o'clock it becomes very hot and you really can't enjoy the place. So make sure you go early. Second thing is, if you're a photographer, then make sure to carry a telephoto lens, as I mentioned earlier as well. There are a lot of beautiful birds there. You should take a telephoto lens. And for those who are not so keen about photography, you can actually hire binoculars as there. They have binoculars for rent, so you can hire it, use it while you're inside, and then while coming back you can return it to them. Also, the route is pretty good. There's no bad stretches and all. On the way there are a couple of good scenic spots, so you can take a little detour if you want to. So overall I would say it's a pretty cool place to visit, like just for a short morning ride, and if you want to hang out with your friends for some time, be amidst the nature for some time, then it's a really good place. Must check out. So that's all for this vlog, guys. Thank you so much for making me a part of your day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. A lot of useful vlogs are going to come up in this channel very soon. So make sure that you stay tuned, and I will catch up with you all in the next one.